My name is Stephanie, and I've been bringing my car to Greg's Japanese Auto for 10 plus years. And I love the service. I love all the employees. They're great. I've never had a problem. They always answer my questions and go out of their way to make sure that everything is explained very well to me and that I understand everything that they're doing to my car. And I love my car being serviced here. They make sure that everything is well maintained and fixed, and you have no problems with your car ever. So that way you don't have to worry when you drive away. If you need your car repaired, bring it to Greg's Japanese Auto. They'll take very good care of you and treat you like family.
I'm Angela. I just wanted to say that Greg's Japanese Auto is the best. They've taken care of me and my family for over 13 years. I have an old 91 Mitsubishi 3000 GT that they've kept running. My husband and I have been participating here for quite some time. We bring my kids' cars here, all of our vehicle inspections, new vehicle inspections. We have nothing but good things to say about Greg's. We love their courtesy service and the customer care. They treat us really well here.
My name is Larry, and I'm Angela's husband, and I enjoy coming to Greg's for the service. Customer service is awesome, and they take good care of you, and never had a problem. Never ever had a problem. The prices are just right. So I'd recommend Greg's, and I do recommend Greg's to all my friends and my people I work with. So I've enjoyed my time here for sure.
Yes, we have.
My name is Emily Allen, and we have been coming here to Greg's Japanese in Puyallup for 10 years. And over the 10 years, we had 6 vehicles. And great guys, great service. We're very pleased. And to the point that my husband only buys Japanese cars just to have the service here. And every time he buys a car, it's like, okay, we'll take it over there. They do the inspection, buyer's inspection, and we're very pleased, very happy with that. And of course, well, they always work with us, telling us what needs to be done in the car, preventing further damage. And I care for my car. They do care for my car as well. And we love it. We're going to come back again for sure. From my own experience, I can tell you, if you have a Japanese car, you need to take care of the car, bring her here. Bring it to the guys that will take care of you and your vehicle.